guys, what is up? It's me, looksbylottie. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a simple everyday makeup tutorial, something that makes you look like you're not wearing makeup. But if you look up close here, you will see I'm definitely wearing makeup. If you want to know all the details for today's look, then just keep on watching. Alright y'all, first thing is first we have to prime our face because it is a crime not to prime. The primer I've been reaching for the most is the Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. I'm actually almost all out. I use this quite a bit. But we are gonna prime all over my face, especially in those forehead wrinkles because we don't want to see those. I've let the primer set in my face a little bit, so now we're gonna take my favorite foundation right now. I picked it up last month. It is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. When I tell y'all this looks so good and so natural on my skin, it is heavenly. This is definitely my go-to on the days where I want to wear makeup, but I want to look like I'm not wearing makeup because it looks like my skin. Like, everybody look at this. This is nice, dewy. It's a little bit darker than my neck. We can just put some on my neck. And it also has just a little bit of coverage to where we're covering up my, what is it called? My acne. I have a little acne up here and just some scarring. Like, where is she? Where'd she go? I don't know. Next up, I'm going to take a light and brightening concealer. I have a few of these. Today, I'm going to go into my Don't Settle concealer from Kaja Beauty. Now we're already done with our cream face products. We're not going to do any more. And so now I'm going to set my concealer and my face with the OPV Beauty setting powder. And I do this in 2 steps. So first I'm going to take the setting powder on a sponge and I'm going to just set it in the places where I concealed. Now what I do next is I take a big fluffy brush and I'm going to take the rest of my powder and I'm just going to fluff it all over my face. This might not be the right way to do things, but it's my way of doing things. And I think it works. Before I go on to the next step, I'm going to spray my face down just a little bit to bring that hydration back. Nice. And why not just press it in? For good measure. Next we're going to go into bronzer. I'm going to take my Juvia's Place palette. I think today I'm going to go with the warmer shade down here. And for this I'm going to bronze up my nose, my jaw, my cheeks, and also my eyes. So I'm not going to be using any eyeshadow. I'm just going to trace this in my eye socket to give it dimension. Alright, next for blush, I like to use 2 different kinds of blushes just depending on my mood. First we have Close to Perfect from Kylie Cosmetics, then we have Kiss and Tell from ColourPop. Kiss and Tell from ColourPop. I think today I'm kind of feeling Kiss and Tell, just like a little bit light. So I put on the blush and bronzer pretty strong, so in between takes I did take a big fluffy brush and just blended it down so it wasn't as extreme, you know? I don't mind a bold moment, but not in an everyday look. Next up for highlighter, we're gonna go into the Ace Beauty Glow Essentials palette. Now for an everyday look, I'm gonna go for something a little more gold, not something too bright, but I'm feeling glowing right here. And we are going to make it sparkle, but then we're gonna tone it down afterwards. Now for brows, I think I'm just going to brush them today. I know I am due, actually overdue, for a microblading appointment, so you can kind of see the spaces in between. Actually, I'm gonna fill in my brow, but I'm gonna do it super, super lightly and gently so that we're not doing a strong brow. We're just kind of shaping it and filling in the sparser areas. Is sparser a word? We'll just go with sparse areas. Okay, so a light brow moment. I'm here for it. Now for lashes, we are going to do a mix of two.
Excuse me,
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 2 layers of the Rare Beauty mascara, and then on top of that, 2 layers of the Bite Beauty mascara. It seems excessive, and it is, but I don't have a lot of lashes, so I gotta do a lot of work. But these are both very good mascaras. You can use them on your own and get great results still. If I feel like my lashes are looking a little clumpy, I do have this lash tool, and I will just kind of run this through my lashes to separate them and to make them look better. We're looking slightly spidery, but that's part of the aesthetic. So last up, we have our lips. First, I'm going to line my lips with the Dragon Beauty Lip Job Liner. And I saw my friend Kelsey do this on Instagram. I'm just going to make this part of my lip bigger, the Cupid's bow, and then also under my lip a little bit larger, so it makes my lips look plumper. For my lips, I usually take a nude or pink lipstick. For today, I'm going to go into the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. And because I usually overdo it on my lips, I am going to go ahead and clean them up just a little bit, following the shape of the liner, which is kind of gone. Oops. And if I'm feeling really fancy, which I am, I'm gonna add a gloss. And this is my favorite gloss for this look. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in shade Sweet Mouth. Now let me change my outfit because this shirt for my Wine 5K is not that cute. See you in a second. Alrighty guys, and that is how I get my perfect everyday makeup look. Definitely gonna be wearing this a lot come spring. It's already getting warm, so I'm probably gonna be wearing this look a lot. Have you tried any of the products that I used today? Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate every single one of you. And don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Make sure you subscribe and also turn on notifications so you know when I post my next video. Now I think it's almost time to soak up the sun. And don't forget to lighten up. I'll see you guys later. Bye!